What is your typical process in designing a custom home?
So we like to break it down into 6 phases, 5 of which are kind of the customary phases, and then we add 1 on the beginning. That's just a way we found works best with our clients. So they are site analysis and programming, that'll be, we call it phase 0, and schematic design, design development, construction documents, negotiation and bidding, and then we'll go into contract administration. And as site analysis and programming, that kind of is self-explanatory, more or less. Programming is one that a lot of people have some questions on. You know, typically it's, and kind of customarily, it's the client's responsibility to come to the architect with a program already laid out. And what a program is if you think of it as an Excel spreadsheet saying, you know, living room space, 20 by 20. It's a list of all the spaces with approximate square footages for what the spaces that they want to be in their project.
So basically a client's minimum square footage requirements?
Right.
Yeah.
Their minimum square footage requirements and kind of wish list.
Gotcha. Okay.
So after that's established, clearly defined, and the site has been analyzed, and the client will get a geotechnical report and a civil survey of the property showing topography, property lines, boundary lines that are recorded at the county. That all kind of happens in the site analysis and programming phase. After that's defined, we'll move on to schematic design. Now this is really where the house or the project starts to kind of come to life. So we'll take the program, we'll start organizing the spaces on site, and we'll look at views, we'll look at topography, we'll look at bodies of water, clusters of trees, you know, how to orient the building to optimize these unique features.
Would you consider this the most artistic phase out of the 6?
Absolutely. Very artistic, and yeah, very conceptual. Oftentimes in schematic, we'll have several versions built into our contract, so we can provide the client with, let's say, 3 versions of a particular home. You know, one is maybe oriented towards this cluster of trees over here in an L-shaped configuration. The next version has kind of a U-shaped courtyard, interior courtyard configuration. And I think that really helps the client see what's possible with the site and pick a particular direction to kind of move into the design development phase.